DB Ventures Art. I'm here to just show you how we are making plank wood art fan. You get your plank wood art fan from the market, then you buy your paper mats with trims, gum or your wax candle. You place your plank on the paper mat, you cut the shape out, then spread the mat on the plank, gum it together front and back. Place your feather front and back at the edge of it, then you place your trim around the paper mat that remain where your feather stop. You use your trim to design it, the front and back. You can see it, we're still working on it. The work is still going on. You can see we are still fixing the trim. You put your trim around. You can use your wax candle as I've said before. Then you can use your wood gum. This is a plank wood and fan. Plank wood and fan. You can use Hausa and fan. You can use skeleton and fan to make your wedding and fan. You can see the back of it, and you can see the front of it. Thank you. Like, share and subscribe. Thank you.